Hello everyone, welcome to the second RHYS training video. My name is Jung, and in the first one I'll introduce you RHYS and show you how to install the package on a laptop. In this short video I will walk you through three features in RHYS: how to navigate the welcome page and the main window layout and its primary tool, and I'll give you a brief introduction to the thermohydraulic system modeling and its component toolbar. So you will find the details information about these three topics in RHYS manual. Let me just bring it up here. Should be right here. Okay, you'll find the RHYS manuals in its main directory. So in section 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, and you find the materials we'll cover in this video. By the end of this video, I hope you will know where to begin in RHYS. Find a way around the interface and then have I know how to build a simple thermohydraulic system. And let's get started. So we can bring RHYS up by double clicking on RHYS shortcut, and you will see the welcome page once you launch RHYS. And there are three sessions and we want to talk about. The first one is on the left side panel here. This is the file management panel, and in the center here you see the recent open project. Besides that, it's example validation cases. Okay, so both recent open project and examples validation cases share a same area to display their informations, depending on which one you click on. Okay, so here you can do a few important things right away. New project allows you to start building a thermohydraulic system from scratch. Open project files that you previously saved with the file extension .rhy. It's perfect for picking up where you left off or just revisiting the old analysis. This import DAC button allows you to import your pre-written input cards with the file extension .i. This RHYS will convert your textual data into a topological node diagram, making it much easier to visualize and debug. So if you want to quickly reopen the project you've been working on, just click on the recently opened project, and this one gonna show you, for example, here if I click it, it shows you a list of projects you worked on before, letting you jump right back in. Now, example validation cases, if you click on that one, it actually provides you a list of files that you can use, you can learn from, and this is something that we will have another videos to dedicate to show you how you can build your own cases folder, so to demonstrate and display your validated example files. So next, let's just click on the new project. So after opening an empty project, you see RHYS main window. On the top, you see there is a menu bar. Includes drop-down menus like File, Component, Auxiliary Files, Simulator, Window, Tools, and Help. In addition to this menu bar, RHYS main window contains two types of wedges: a toolbar wedges and a dock wedges. Under the Windows drop-down menu, you can check or uncheck these wedges to show or hide them. Let's first hide all the toolbars and all the dock wedges. Now, the main windows contains only the menu bars on top, and then this big blank area. We call that workspace, where that you can actually build and visualize your node diagram here. Now, next we can bring up the toolbars one by checking them in the window drop-down menu again. Go to Window and Toolbar and click on Component Toolbar. Component Toolbar provides you a list of thermohydraulic components and also the control system components. You can click on Insert in your workspace. And the Shape Control Toolbar allows you to hide the volume and junction numbers, hide junction shape, or display junction shape, and hide or display heat structure shape and heat structure numbers. You can use it also adjust the text size, and then you can change the shape thickness and change the junction arrow size. Additional cars toolbar, if you click this one here, and this quick access toolbar allow you to enter car information for miscellaneous car, time step controls, plot, and etc. And go to the window toolbar and file action toolbars. This is the toolbar includes a save project, close a project, and then import, export, and check input X. Interaction toolbars. This is the toolbars that you can use to bring up input deck and output deck with the system editor, and you can also run, stop, and pause a simulation. Replay toolbar is the one you use to read restart file to replay the simulation result. Now, shape action toolbar includes zoom to feed and minimize a free shape like time-dependent volume, and also you can copy and delete the shapes. You can do undo, redo here, and you can select different system, hydraulic system, and you can search for components through this shape control toolbar. The last one is Cubable File Toolbar. This is the one that actually you use to link external thermohydraulic system. Okay. Besides these toolbars, the main layout also includes several dock wedges. For example, the dock wedges, like the system view. This panel provides this tree-like structures to show the content of your input models. For example, like time step, minor edit, and there's information there, shows the information for hydraulic component. You can click on it. It shows you for each component you have the number of components you insert in the workspace. There are output pane dock wedges, and this one is used to display the simulation result. And input deck editor dock wedges, this is the one you use to enter the input deck information for each hydraulic or control system component. So, and there's a file managers and the restart managers, and we will have dedicated videos to just talk about how we can use restart manager to and also the file manager. There's a features that you can lock or unlock docking for dock wedges. For example, if you click lock system windows, it's this system window view will pop up, and then you will not dock it back to the main windows. Okay. The cool features of toolbar and dock wedges is you can reposition. You can place them in any place in the main layout. In that way, you can build your own configurations of main window layout. And once you find ideal layout, you can go to the file menu, drop down menu, and then go to configurations and save as default. Next time when you open RHYS-ASYST, it's gonna use your default configuration layout like this.